followers as well.
Nice. So how do you determine when that line needs to be put there between coaching and consulting?
Time. If there is, if time is critical, for example, I left a base recently and they're having some challenges in a specific squadron and they needed to fix it right now. That squadron commander was getting pressured by the group commander to fix it. Mm-hmm. So I put on the consulting hat at that point and say, all right, so here are the 4 things that I recommend you do based on my experiences, based on my failures, based on me watching other people. So I think you should go do that now. After you do that, let's come back and talk about those results. And based on those results, now we can start coaching. What worked for you? What was your objective? Why did that work? In order to continue to do this, what do you have to stop doing? Or what do you have to start doing? Why is this truly a hurdle for you? Getting to the root cause, which takes time and actually takes a little bit of relationship building for them to feel comfortable to make that happen and
Right.
talk like that.
Right, nice. I like the way you put that, especially when it comes to relationships, because relationships